Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, make sure you have the following tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively remove the battery from your laptop. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get the help you need without calls or travel. First, turn off your Lenovo IdeaPad S540-13 IWL and disconnect it from any power source. It's important to ensure that the device is completely powered down to avoid any electrical hazards. Next, place the laptop on a soft surface, preferably a clean cloth, to protect it from scratches. Now, locate the screws on the bottom panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove all the screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them to reassemble the device later. Once all screws are removed, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the bottom panel. Start from one corner and gently work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. With the bottom panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is typically secured by a few screws. Remove these screws using the Phillips head screwdriver. Be cautious and remember the order of the screws as you take them out. Once the screws are removed, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This is usually a small connector that can be pulled out with your fingers. If you're having trouble, use the spudger to carefully lift the connector without applying too much force. Now, you can take out the old battery. Make sure to dispose of it properly, as batteries can be harmful to the environment. Place the new compatible battery into the compartment, ensuring that it aligns correctly with the connectors. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, pressing it down firmly to ensure a secure connection. Now, replace the screws that hold the battery in place. If you need assistance, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Once the battery is secured, it's time to reattach the bottom panel. Align it carefully and press it down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the panel. Finally, turn your laptop back on and check if it recognizes the new battery. You can do this by going into the battery settings on your device. If everything looks good, you have successfully replaced the battery in your Lenovo IdeaPad S540-13 IWL. If you encounter any issues or prefer to have a professional handle it, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the best care for your device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.